Hello, my name is Sebastian Pesch. In a previous video, I explained how you can easily detect small parts using the R2 series through-beam sensor from Peppel and Fuchs. Today, I'd like to introduce another sensing mode to solve this task. For this, you can see two sensors here from our R3 and R2F series. In terms of their functionality, these two products are absolutely identical. They only differ in their housing design and mounting style. You can choose either LED sensors or laser sensors, which are available in this housing design for the first time. Both products are diffuse mode sensors with background suppression. They are based on the triangulation principle. The light from the emitter is reflected by the diffusely reflecting object and caught by the photoelectric receiver. Unlike energetic modes, the receiver consists of two elements, the near and the far element. This enables reliable distance detection, which is indicated by the switching of the sensor's yellow LEDs. If I move the object into the detection zone, the object will be detected. If I remove the object from the detection zone, the yellow indication LEDs will switch off. The advantage of this mode over energetic solutions is the suppression of close surfaces. This allows you to create a much more space-saving installation around your application. Another benefit is that objects within the detection zone are detected virtually color independently. This increases detection reliability, especially when you have the challenge of detecting highly textured or irregular objects like this small object. To demonstrate, I will move the small object into the detection zone. As you can see, the object is detected reliably, even though there is a close surface. For the first time, there are even laser sensors available in this flat housing design. This offers you enhanced precision. As a result, even the smallest objects, like the thin gold wire, can be reliably detected in front of a machine part. That was not previously possible with conventional LED sensors. So with this, you will be ready if you are faced with detecting increasingly small objects in increasingly compact machines. As you've seen, the R2 and R3 series and the extremely flat R2F and R3F series help increase efficiency, improve detection reliability, and save materials in your application. More information on our photoelectric sensors can be found on our website, or simply ask us. Thank you for watching, and until next time.